Welcome back to the channel. Now, truthfully, nobody no know what really are going. My goal is to say the PMP has won the local government election and contradict the statements made by the EOJ. The Prime Minister is saying that there's no way the opposition has come out of the local government election in a stronger position than the JLP. But the people I wonder, what kind of cryptic message that? What kind of gossip and come back round so kind of statement that? What I mean by there's no way the opposition has come out of the local government election in a stronger position. When they just say the opposition no win and the JLP win, like what the PMP I say. The PMP just plain and straight I said them win and then the response to the EOJ I say. Now the Prime Minister further went on to say that he's admitting that the JLP underperformed in the polls and that as a result of that, they know what the party needs to plan on and work on for the future. Let them underperform at the polls. And them know I see what the party need for work on. Some people have said something like them lose. The EOJ said otherwise. There's also a popular meme circulating social media saying that PMP win Monday, JLP win Tuesday, PMP win Wednesday, and the PMP did win Thursday. But no, the JLP win again on Friday. The people might wonder if by Saturday the PMP will win again. Now the official statement from the People's National Party General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell, he's saying that the parliamentary opposition has won the parish council election, given that it will now control 7 municipalities. But the latest results are released from the EOJ says that the Jamaica Labour Party won 7 municipality corporations, while the PMP won 5, in addition to the Portmore municipality. Not surprisingly, there was a tie in the Kingston and St. Andrew, where both parties won 20 seats each, stalemate. Now the OJ is saying by law, if there's a tie in a municipal corporation with both parties winning, a mayor will be selected from the party which gets the popular vote. Now the people must say, no matter how you look on the local government election, the PMP has the popular vote. And the EOJ is confirming that. So they will be given a chance to choose the mayor of Kingston from its ranks. So the new mayor of Kingston will be from the People's National Party. That are facts. The EOJ are confirmed that, and by law, that is how it is. Now, Dr. Campbell argues that since the opposition will be at the helm of 7 municipalities, this is a win for the party and should have been made clear by the EOJ. The report from the EOJ should be that the JLP has won 7 and the PMP has won 5 by having majority of the divisions. And they will have control of the KSA based on having the popular vote. And they have also won Portmore. That is what it is. And he's saying that this is the way the OJ should have presented it. You know what it's a go for sure? It's a go for sure, so no matter how see whole heap of people, you know the colours, the orange and the green, and them have on the cap and them have on the handband, and them go out and them will cast them vote. Parties have not educated Jamaican citizens on the political process. People don't know what going on. Even when the EOJ put out the statement, you see it by a TV, see it by a newspaper. People have not been given the resources, the know-how to understand what is being said. And this is a weather showcase. If everybody, both parties cannot come out and say simultaneously the two of them win, and I use what the EOJ say to prove them point. Something wrong. How can the EOJ release approve the two of them point so the two of them win? What is also taking place after the local government election, they are saying that the mayor role for all 14 parishes are now being evenly shared between the two parties. This is a far away from where it was. when the JLP won the general election by a landslide. That I show you say, yo, many parishes and people and supporters of the Prime Minister and his administration have stopped supporting the Prime Minister and his administration. And that is just what it is. So the polls start for sure. I remember long before the local government election, the opposition that say, yo, call the election, because then that's them do the research. And then realize that the people them fed up. And the majority of the areas where these people were supporters of the Prime Minister and his administration, their mind change. Them decide to say, yo, it now work out for them. Some people that support the Prime Minister himself, but the elected official or the councillor, the MP, where they're for them area, them and them now really see eye to eye. Them and them are on the same page. They are saying that some of these individuals are not even from the area, the people, them don't know them. But because they must support the Prime Minister, them support the party. The people are on that now. Talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Do you believe that this is a clear sign and should be seen as a clear sign by the Prime Minister and his administration that the people indeed want changes? Them thought they and them speech we are making at the campaign. The people want to know really are going. We say one minister resign, and surprisingly, you know the people must say, warm to the whole heap of other minister them have resigned. That not look good. That can't look good for a party in a power. One individual resign for a completely separate matter. Based on statements say him himself make it, never have nothing to do with the party. Him say what him say, and him resign for it. But then for years him resign. And the people of the country are saying, so what about all the other ministers that should also be handing in their resignation letter to the Prime Minister? So the people must say they are ministers in the cabinet way. Now perform. It's not going good. If you know say Warmington make certain statements, being the Minister of Economic Growth. I mean, he was a minister without portfolio, but in the Ministry of Economic Growth. Never look good at all. The people are fed up with the finance minister. That's another secret. The people are like how the finance minister talk. What going on Mobi? The Minister of Security, his constituencies are also in Mobi. We saw a video circulate social media. We don't know exactly how we. This is a blast. We see a woman and like she get up to leave. We don't know, it look like some soldier. And the police are walk down from the area. And like this woman I get up to leave. And the way the soldier deal with the woman. And at the same time, other individuals did it. It don't look like the soldier in that search nobody. We don't know. We don't know why she don't want to leave immediately after them arrival. But it not justify what we see on the video. The people want the security minister talk about things like this. The people them tell all the SOE and all the zones of special operations that now help crime. Normally you see you have top crime fighters from all over the Caribbean who travel, go overseas and travel to different parts of the world to see how other countries are, dealing with crime, or them implement the use of technology and things of that nature to help combat crime without having to infringe upon, citizens' rights. It come like a Jamaican police alone and fly go nowhere else in the world, go see how crime fight in other place in the world. Third world something in our work. And we start about agriculture. And start about what go on a wharf and start about certain industries and education. What go on education, the youth them are underperform. Once upon a time, Jamaican teachers along with the students them that perform, top students. That's why teachers that get work overseas at such a high rate, because to them a teach Jamaican pit them and them a do excellent. They must say, yo, well, you can come over and come teach you what pit them too. No, the pit them are underperform. If we talk about them something, I would have there for your next 2 hours. Our one industry and one minister alone can talk bravely and talk about in ministry. And just the Ministry of Tourism. The only industry that, and maybe mining, people are really too familiar with what going on with the mining. industry. So anything we are go good, we are just see it as something we are go good. We don't really familiar with it. Even though the whole heap of things that may take place up at Yuatan and we are going with the Rio Kobe River on a regular basis, we need to look into that too. The mining industry now going well. We will take them off our list. Tourism alone, we can say, boy, them still generate the billions. Them still employ thousands. They still a skill we can use locally and overseas. If they get certified in the hotel industry, you can work anywhere in the Caribbean, probably anywhere in the world. Why on tourism alone, see? And they have entertainment now going good. System deal with dancehall away till right now support for support. Dancehall become like a round robin where you keep your party and the promoter you forward and buy X amount and spend X amount. And you know in return if I go back a theme party could do the same thing. I don't know. The entertainment sector. Don't see it go on now me about it. Something off about it. But talk to me in the comment section. Until the reason again, when you live, love and prosper, when you stay tuned, when you click subscribe icon, put it on all them thing there. Comment section open 24/7 now. It never lock it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. You know there's something going on. Until the reason again, when you live, love and prosper, and when you stay tuned, comment section now lock. You can go there anytime. Drop a comment and make we talk about what really take place with the local government election. So now we still not say who win. I say the JLP win today or Friday. PNP still say them win. And the EOJ need to make it more clear to the people. So we're going to see what will be said by Saturday. Even though the EOJ is supposed to close today being Friday. But maybe we'll still get a press release and things might change by Saturday. Till the reason again, live, love and prosper and stay tuned.